Innovative Kids channel.
Welcome to Innovative Kids channel. Join us as we delve into daily routine phrases, watch, learn, and enjoy the journey with us.
Stretch.
Stretch.
Stretching helps me loosen up my muscles after waking up.
Brush teeth.
Brush teeth.
Before breakfast, I always brush my teeth for fresh breath.
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
I enjoy a hearty breakfast to fuel my morning.
Shower.
Shower.
A refreshing shower wakes me up fully.
Dress.
Dress.
I take my time to pick out clothes for the day.
Commute.
Commute.
I commute to work by bus every weekday.
Work.
Work.
At the office, I focus on my tasks and projects.
Lunch.
Lunch.
I take a break midday to have a nutritious lunch.
Exercise.
Exercise.
After work, I hit the gym to stay fit.
Cook.
Cook.
I love cooking dinner in the evening.
Eat dinner.
Eat dinner.
Dinner time is when I relax and enjoy my meal.
Clean dishes.
Clean dishes.
After dinner, I clean the dishes and tidy up.
Family time.
Family time.
Spending quality time with my family is important to me.
Check emails.
Check emails.
Before bed, I quickly check my emails.
Plan tomorrow.
Plan tomorrow.
I plan my tasks for the next day before sleeping.
Meditate.
Meditate.
Meditation helps me clear my mind before bed.
Read.
Read.
I like to read a few pages of a book before sleeping.
Sleep.
Sleep.
I try to get a good night's sleep for a productive day ahead.
Wake children.
Wake children.
In the morning, I wake my children up for school.
Pack lunch.
Pack lunch.
I pack my lunch before leaving for work.
Drop kids.
Drop kids.
I drop my kids off at school on my way to work.
Attend meeting.
Attend meeting.
My mornings are often filled with meetings.
Collaborate.
Collaborate.
I collaborate with my colleagues on various projects.
Brainstorm.
Brainstorm.
We have brainstorming sessions to generate new ideas.
Lunch break.
Lunch break.
I take a lunch break to recharge for the afternoon.
Review progress.
Review progress.
In the afternoon, I review my progress on tasks.
File documents.
File documents.
I organize and file important documents.
Leave work.
Leave work.
After finishing my tasks, I leave work for the day.
Pick up kids.
Pick up kids.
I pick up my kids from school in the afternoon.
Help with homework.
Help with homework.
I assist my kids with their homework.
Prepare snacks.
Prepare snacks.
I prepare snacks for my kids after school.
Playtime.
Playtime.
We have some playtime together in the evening.
Set table.
Set table.
Before dinner, I set the table for the family.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the second part where we will explore even more daily routine phrases. Don't miss out. See you soon.
Thanks for watching. For watching more kids educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.